Now, first we will talk about this creating a company thing. I will just zoom in, right? Now, this is the Tally ERP 9 version, right? The screenshots of Tally software is tally.erp 9, right? Now, first we will learn how to create a company on Tally software, right? This is the basic interface. Whenever I press enter on Tally software icon, this is the first page I can see, the first screen I can see, right? This is the beginning screen of Tally software, right? And when I can see the version is written on the top of it. Now, this startup screen helps me guide how to proceed further. There are, first of all, talking about licensing operations. A, activate your license. B, reactivate your existing license. Get a rental license. Configure existing license, right? So I would just like to tell you before proceeding further that on Tally, we can only use keyboard shortcuts or mouse, right? We cannot type or we can type, but we cannot use the mouse much. We can use keyboard shortcuts, right? So A is activating your license. If I press capital A, that will bring me to activate your license. Then if I press V, it will take me to reactivate your existing license. So if you want to activate, if you're working for the first time, yeah, so and if you are activating your license, you will press A. If you are reactivating your existing license, you will press V. If you want to get a rental license, you will press I. And if you want to configure the existing license, you will press C, right? What we do is basically we press W in educational mode, right? We press W to just this work in educational mode does not provide me all the features of Tally, but it helps me guide and see and learn how to use Tally, how to create journal entries, how to put ledger postings, and how to generate financial statements, right? L means login as remote tally.net user. If you have a valid tally.net ID, you can access the data of companies which are currently connected if you have the required permission. So when I press L, I cannot actually manipulate the data or change the data or enter the data. I can just remotely view. So this L option will only help me. Suppose I am having my creation of certain companies in my software and I'm traveling and I'm trying to log on to Tally software through other computers, right? Not with my own system. So I can log in as remote, right? Where I can just view my companies, what are the updations already done. I cannot enter the data at that time. So this AVIC shortcuts are basically used when we are actually having the license and we are actually performing on the Tally software in the company. Work in educational mode is just for the students thing when we are making the students in colleges to learn how Tally software look like and they do not have full access to Tally features. And L is basically viewing the companies and the updated records as a remote user, right? So when you are working in an organization, you will either basically be activating your license or reactivating your license or getting a rental license. Q, when I press Q, it quits. It quits the Tally screen. My Tally screen will be closed, right? So this is the first thing of the Tally first screen of Tally software, right? Now, when I say W, this work in educational mode, what is the shortcut we use on keyboard? You can also press Alt plus W, right? The shortcut key to go directly to this option.